This 2016 Dynamax Corp REV 24CB is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dynamax Corp is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, air conditioning, stovetop burner, skylight, refrigerator, microwave, TV, and 25 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features front entertainment, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2016 Dynamax Corp REV 24CB is built on a Ram Promaster 280 HP chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.